I'm supporting Bob because I believe he's an honest man and he's got integrity, and that's what we need in the office of mayor. Someone who has compassion for folks.
And he has the broadest background of anybody that's running for office, of anybody that's even been in office for a while. I mean, he's been a college president, he's been a congressman, he's held statewide office, and I think he could do most for the city of Nashville in the broad term.
I think Bob Clement's the best candidate for Nashville based on his experience in Congress and what he's been involved in while he was in Congress. He's the best education candidate. He's the best for attracting business to the city, developing the parts of the city that need development. I think he's all around the best guy for every eco-socio group there is.
And also, I know that he's got quite a few contacts. Senator Jim Kyle from Shelby County, I know that they're related, and I know that he can bring a lot of money to the state. I feel like, I think revenues are very important, and especially right now. And if someone could do that, that'd be a really good change. He's trying to open up more job opportunities, and in education, there are going to be more opportunities opening up. And if his campaign goes through, then that would be fantastic for Middle Tennessee.
I believe in him. That's why I'm here. He's one of the greatest politicians I have come across.
Bob Clement because he's an honest, decent man, and I think he would be a great success being a mayor of Tennessee. Just an eye-catching kind of guy for the job.
We got to talk about the future of Nashville and where we want to take Nashville, whether it be education or public safety or transportation or jobs or the environment. And we can go on and on with the issues of our time. And I'm talking about all of them. I've already unveiled two, and that's education and public safety, and given specifics about, and that's what people want. Specifics about where you stand on the issue and what are you going to do to move Nashville forward. Now the First Lady, matter of fact, we've got some cards over here. You know, it's not Bob Clement running for mayor, it's Mary Clement running for First Lady.
And those of you in this room, I call you our first team because you really are our first team. And you stepped forward, you emailed, you said we want to be part of your campaign. And this campaign truly is about the future of Nashville, as Bob has said over and over again. But as we talk about it as a family, and you're our extended family, I think you would agree with me on one very important point. The thing that I admire most about my husband, or I couldn't have done this for the years we've done it, is that he's real with people. When you walk into a room, Bob sees you. And I think people feel like nobody sees them anymore a lot of times. They don't feel like anybody connects to them. It's just all a bunch of hot air and a lot of phoniness that I think people are just tired of. And I think we should be about the business of the city that we all love. Thank you for being here, and I just want you to know that you won't have a better friend than somebody that will listen to you and be there if you have problems or a need. So I thank you for being here, and I hope you'll go out and expand this base. And as we need volunteers, that you will come in and that you will talk to Larry and Michelle and all the other staff members to identify what you think it is that you would be good at doing and what you would enjoy doing for this cause.
And I'm going to ask people to come out to various neighborhoods and communities all over Nashville and just ask them to and come out and say, I'd like to see them. I'd like for them to come out where I can meet them and their families. And I sure want you all to be there with me when we have these events throughout Davidson County where we're reaching out. Because even though Mary and I do have deep roots in Nashville, we got a lot of new people in Nashville. And we need to reach out to those new people that maybe don't know anything about Bob Clement or what he stands for, what he's done in the past, but also what's he going to do now? What's he going to do for the future? Where's Nashville going to be? Because I really do think we're at the crossroads, and I've talked about that in my speeches. Yes, we can do better. We can move from good to great. But thank you again. Thank you for being there early. And with all of us working together and spreading the word, which we've got to do, we're going to have a great victory on August the 2nd. Thank you.